I get this question all the time. Devin, is it smarter to start in a boring niche with stable demand or an exciting niche with noisy competition? For most beginners, the better bet is the boring niche with stable demand. Here's why. YouTube automation is not really a creativity problem first, it's a repeatability problem. If a niche gives you steady search interest, clear audience questions, and reusable video formats, you can actually build a system around it. My rule is simple. Only choose the exciting crowded niche if you have a real edge. And by edge, I mean one of three things. You know the topic better than most people, you have a format that instantly feels different, or you can test content faster than competitors. If you don't have one of those, stable wins. Use this quick scorecard. Demand stability, repeatable topics, and differentiation. Score each one from 1 to 5. If a niche is exciting but scores low on repeatability or differentiation, skip it. The easiest validation test is this. Can you write 30 clickable video ideas in 20 minutes? And will those ideas still make sense 6 months from now? If yes, that's usually a better niche than the one that just feels hot this week. And if you want to organize that into an actual production workflow, use Satura to batch your ideas, scripts, and publishing steps in one place. That's the trade-off. Hype gets attention, but stability builds systems.